Top 5 Best Gadgets on Amazon.
If you are looking for amazing and cool gadgets to buy them and enjoy your life with these items, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you top 5 cool and amazing gadgets. But, make sure you can watch entire video to stick for number 1. These gadgets rating is high and are mostly purchased gadgets in Amazon. Link of all the gadgets in below the description. First you have to watch full video to get more information about them. If you are excited, make to smash that like button and let's start the video. Amazfit GTS2 Mini Fitness Smartwatch. It is an amazing watch. You can see your blood oxygen saturation measurement in this watch. It can also monitor your heart rate, which you really want to see. This watch also have a female cycle tracking, that's why it's cool for men. It's have 5 atmospheres water resistant and 70 plus sports modes, that really cool. This amazing smartwatch have the sleep quality monitoring. Amazfit GTS2 Mini of minimum size and maximum power. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2. This is wireless gaming headset for Xbox One and Xbox Series 10. This gadget is for gamer who like to play a game in Xbox. It have clear game chat. It has enhanced comfort sound and expertly tuned 50mm drivers. It has glasses friendly comfort, having easy access to audio presets. Also have a superhuman hearing sound setting and quick conceal for mute the mic quickly. This headset have Xbox wireless direct connection plug-in. It is rechargeable and 15-hour battery life. This is too good for you. Amazfit T-Rex Pro Smartwatch. This is really cool and beautiful gadgets for men because you look more handsome if this attractive watch in your hand. It is military grade toughness and endurance from the inside out. This watch have 4 global navigation satellite systems, that is great. It has 10 ATM water resistance and 100 plus sports modes. This watch also have blood oxygen saturation measurements and heart rate monitoring, which you really like. Mavic 2 Zoom Drone. With the help of the drone you can capture high quality amazing videos. It can zoom everything. It has optical zoom system. It can hyperlapse with tap, and this drone can capture every detail with super resolution of 48 MP. This is small gadget and it can take you anywhere you want. It's have remote control system and also have Bluetooth technology. This is for those who want to capture beautiful videos and upload those videos social media and earn money from it. Sony PlayStation VR. Don't just play in it. Go to live in the game. From the moment you slip on PlayStation VR, the new virtual reality system for PlayStation 4, you'll experience games in an entirely new way. You'll be at the center of the action, living every detail of extraordinary new worlds, and you'll feel like you're actually inside the game. Box contains PlayStation VR headset version Cuzzy VR1, processor unit, stereo earbuds, HDMI cable, USB cable, AC adapter and power cord, PSVR headset connection adapter. PlayStation camera, sold separately, is required for PlayStation VR.